Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm making a leftover Christmas roast dinner vindaloo. Let's make this Indian restaurant dish using leftover turkey, roast potatoes and vegetable. Before I begin, please remember to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up and click that notification button. On a low to medium heat, add the oil, star anise and bay leaf to a pan and stir gently until the bubbles start to form around the hard spices. Add in the onions and fry for a few minutes until they become aromatic and begin to soften. Add the garlic and ginger paste, chopped Kashmiri chillies and the green chillies. Stir and allow to fry for a few minutes. If you want to try vindaloo for the first time but are not sure about the heat, simply reduce the chilli powder and remove the seeds and the white pith from the chillies. Now add the Kashmiri chilli powder, spice mix, coriander powder, cumin powder, fennel seeds, turmeric powder, salt, black pepper, cardamom seeds and tomato puree. Add a little hot water or curry base to keep the paste loose and fry for a minute or two until the oil begins to separate to form your vindaloo paste. Turn the heat up to full, add half the water or base gravy and allow to reduce for a couple of minutes. Now add the tomato slices along with the remaining water or base gravy and stir through well. Add your leftover meat, roast potatoes and vegetables and stir through carefully, ensuring they are covered in sauce to prevent them drying out. Fry for a couple of minutes to heat through. Tip in the sugar, vinegar, garam masala, methi and half the fresh chopped coriander and stir through. Add a little more water or base if you want more sauce, then cook for a further few minutes until the sauce is the consistency you require. Serve decorated with remaining coriander. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.